recipe.
Well, sometimes you may need to go to a gathering and need something quick, or you want something for a supper. We have a recipe for you that is easy and tastes great. Joining me now with more on this is Leslie Boswell with CommonGround. Leslie, what do you have for us?
Today I have a bacon cauliflower salad. That's something that's very easy to throw together. The way it's called in the recipe, which I have already seen on Facebook, it calls for a half a head of lettuce, a half a head of cauliflower, a half a pound of bacon, and about a cup and a half of cheese, and then a half an onion. So that's all easy to mix up. It's also very easy to go ahead and use all of the stuff, the pound of bacon, the whole head of lettuce, and the cauliflower, and make it for a bigger group. So this, you just dump it together, and we'll mix that up. And I've got a cup of mayonnaise, a third of a cup of sugar, and a half a cup of vinegar. And I use cider vinegar when I make all of my salad dressings. I just like it better than a white vinegar. And mix it up, and that's all it takes to make this salad. Now, sometimes on salads like this, and like macaroni salads, sometimes I call them kitchen sink salads. You can throw anything in. You can serve it right away. Sometimes with that salad dressing, with the vinegar and the sugar and the mayonnaise, if you let that set a little bit, those flavors will meld a little bit better. So you can mix that up, put it in the refrigerator, and then throw this all together at the last minute. Besides, with the bacon in there, if you leave the salad dressing on too long, it can get a little bit soft. It won't be quite as crunchy. So you can have this mixed up, you can have the salad dressing mixed up, and just put them together before you serve it.
Good idea. Okay. Thank you, Leslie. We appreciate it.